What's up? It's me, and today we are playing some. What's it called? Oh yeah, Halo 5. So we're playing Halo 5. We're playing the original Warzone. And you know, I had some of it on recording, but it stopped early. I got a decent little quick kill streak of like 5 players. But it wasn't not a kill streak, but it was super fast. Like within like less than a minute, I got 5 players all in a row. It's pretty cool. But then I didn't get that on camera, so all the bad stuff is on camera, and so I deleted it. But I'm giving you guys this. So hopefully you guys enjoy this. This is Warzone. If you see another game mode that kind of looks like this, it's called Warzone Assault. And then I also play Big Team Battle because I don't like tiny small like fights. I like big giant ones. So we are playing Darkstar or Darkstar. The battle on Darkstar. Red versus blue. Last time it was us.
Initiating Warzone simulation. Hold bases, take down bosses, and eliminate enemy Spartans to earn points. Prometheus scouts have taken over Darkstar Station. Take down their leader and clear them out.
This will probably be like a 20-25 minute match. So you got AI. So you have AI, bosses, and soldiers, and then you're also playing versus 12 with real soldiers. I've never played this map. This AI is actually good. Like, I've been killed by them a lot. Not a lot, like one time, but still, they're not like the Call of Duty AI where they're like, that's you, and they're like, they actually can hit you pretty easily. This is, if I had to give this give this game mode, the nearest thing to it would be Conquest. This is like the AUG, if I had to compare it to a real life gun. It kind of reminds me of an AUG. And that would be like, oh no, let's see it shoot. I feel like it's TAC 45 or USP 45. We were on red team last time, so it's a hard transition. I keep wanting to shoot at my guys and not shoot at the red guys when it's truly the opposite. Any red guy you see gunning, shoot them, that's red. See red, he's red. Now.
County, this is Hunter Commando.
Back. No, I don't want to die. How to get spray and pray on that? A basic snipe. Goodbye. I think so. Basic snipe.
Eliminated the Soldier Commando. Level 2 Rex available.
Let's get ready.
Accuracy on this is horrible. That's brutal. Four minutes in. The ground pound someone so bad. I have a Banshee. I want to use a Banshee.
Incoming Covenant installation. Incoming Prometheans at the colony.
The melee is like overpowered. It's an elbow, and we're wearing armor that can take like 36 bullets. Yet one or two elbows, or I guess gun stocks, still it kills them immediately.
Promethean warp imminent. Enemy eliminated the Elite Ultra.
Seems like when they get me, it's like really like okay. But then when I shoot them, and they're still living. See, watch this, watch this, watch this. Should have jumped. So here's how this is gonna go. I'm gonna go all like super spot. I'm gonna jump in the air, snipe, jump, headshot, and then I'm gonna be off. This map's too open. Oh my gosh, why am I like so close to the enemy team? I don't want to be close to them. Where are my friends? Looking for my friends.
Going loud.
Incoming Prometheans at the crossroads.
Why do I feel like this does more damage? I think I've gotten like 2-shot, 1-shot, body shot. This gets really annoying really fast. It's one thing, if you don't have a good temper, you get enraged really easily. And I thought I killed myself. You get like rage quitting really easily. Don't play this game. That's for one reason and one reason only. It takes a lot. Oh gosh. To kill someone in this game. I mean, I just started, but still. It takes a lot. I have 26 needlers. That's hilarious. Really? Really? That's 25 needlers. I should just start killing my team because I'm that guy. With a pistol, just pink. I'm playing with my pistol. I've been killed by the pistol more times than I've been killed by any other weapon in this game. Like, every other kill is a pistol. Watch this, watch this. Pistol. Pistol. I'm not even trying to die, I just spawned in and he shot me. I don't die here. I wanna live. I feel more safe with my pistol. Let's see how this actually performs. I'm stuck. There's like zero gravity up here. Or a rocket launcher, that'll do. I wish it would tell you how much health they had left. Maybe I feel safe.
Red confirmed.
Took out their mongoose.
Really, heat-seeking bullets can't even kill a guy in this game. I mean, jeez. Because the needler heat seeks at close range. You can see him kind of curve. This is by far my least favorite game mode out of the 3 game modes I've played. But still, it's not fun. It's like actually kind of enraging. I don't know if it's this map, because I actually kind of had fun on the last game mode, or just the...
Hostile activity at the crossroads. Lord Baratus, and he's in a hijacked Mantis.
That was a pistol. I don't know what kind of pistol, what a pistol. That was a pistol. So I guess we know what that wasn't a pistol, actually.
Red confirmed.
That was my only energy sword, and I got sniped by a pistol.
Lucky shot.
Not the lucky shots, I'll tell you what it is. That was a sniper. But either way, this is the most annoying game mode I've ever played in any game at all. Just like, it's like, free. There we go. I was a sniper. I wish it would show you. Why am I getting killed so much?
Enemy captured Beacon Star 3. Enemy controls all bases. Our core is vulnerable. Red confirmed.
Are you? I don't even know what to do anymore. I should basically give up, but I'm being a man. Never mind.
Enemy captured. Core defenses back online.
Okay, well, I got a few kills right there. That pistol is OP though. Like, I'm actually trying not to get shot, and it's just like too many.
East Armory captured. Red confirmed.
We have to take like all the points to win.
Incoming Prometheans. Enemies win if they take it out. Don't let that happen.
You think in Halo would be like more explosive? It's just like firecracker, firecracker, go. This is outrageous. Not again. Here you go. Again, not again. Again, not again.
Red confirmed. Level 4 ranks available. Enemy captured the West Armory.
There's one last thing. It's called being a boss. That's what that guy is. The pistol is officially over. That's why we're bringing out a fuel rod cannon.
Red confirmed.
Let's bring out something else. Oh wait, I can't. Freaking fuel rod cannon. And then are these guys like pro league? Except for that guy. Oh, yeah, see? Jump up. It's like at the peak they shoot.
That's a loss, Spartans. Weapons down.
Thanks for watching. Come again.